Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since you've seen my face, so I thought I'd show it, say hi. I have definitely not been abducted by any aliens or, it's still me behind the scenes here. So usually you only see my hands, but I thought, hey, it's been a while. It's a new year, fair few months into the new year, but anyway, time flies, doesn't it? But we're not here to talk about that today. We are here to have a look at this. So I have this huge box here from Altenew, and it is full to the brim with the March release, and it's a good one. It is a good one, not gonna lie. So I thought we'd dive right in, and we're gonna head down to the desk. We're gonna dive right in. This is just gonna be an unboxing video, so that is what we're doing today, because like I said, there is a lot of stuff in this box and I bet you're a little bit curious about it, so I'm not going to keep you waiting for much longer. No. So let's get into the box now. This is a pretty big box, so I'm gonna have to move it out of the way, and as usual, it's got gorgeous tissue paper. We're gonna put that aside because it rustles a lot. Okay, so we have some black instant dimension foam tape in 1 inch width and in the 1/2 inch width, and also the 1/4 inch width. So this is great when you're doing cards with like black cardstock and you want, you don't want that whiteness to shine through. So great addition, a big thumbs up for that. Okay, so everything is just kind of like mix matched here. So I tell you what, we're just going to take everything out and then we're going to kind of go through it all a little bit more easily. Oops. Okay. Whoa, we're just going to dump this here. All right. So, okay, stylish shades. Ooh, they're cute. And does say 85% of actual size. So, okay, great. Well, we'll put this aside, and then oh, this is nice. You're simply beautiful. That's really lovely. Right, so we have foil relief paste, which I do believe will work with, it's kind of like that tacky stuff. So you put it on, and then you put foil on top. So super fun stuff. We're definitely going to be playing with that. And let's see if, okay, so I do have some like labels for my ink pads. So this is for the Sage Garden, Moonlit, Twilight. Oh, I folded this one. Darn. Coastal Mist, and did I put another one? Yeah, okay, so Earth Tones here as well. So we're definitely gonna put these on our ink pads because, it is nice to be organized. And let's figure this out. Okay, well, let's start with this because this is all like organized. So we have the Cross Your Life project kit. This one is called Garden Gala, and I'm really excited about this actually because it's got like a very kind of like, it's like a vintagey theme on here. Really, really like that. So this is the die set. Gorgeous. And then there is a stencil set, so you get the actual stencils for the flowers. There's like a doorway and like a scenery or window, I guess. Would you say window? An opening, and like a nested arch opening kind of thing. And then like a scenery thing in the background there. And then we have a textured 3D embossing folder to like add some fun texture. And then the gorgeous, gorgeous stamp set. Beautiful. Okay, we are going to put all this back into the packaging just to make sure that everything that is supposed to be together stays together. And then Leafscape die cut set. So this might just be, okay, well, we'll put it aside because I wonder if there might be like a stamp set to that. So this one I know is on its own, outlined hello, very cute, very like blocky, retro, 100%. We're going to use that. The nesting arches die set. I do love a nesting die set, so fun. there are just so many like options and ideas and things that you can do with that. So definitely gonna have fun. Oh, here we go. So Leafscape die stamp set and the coordinating die set. Beautiful. And Charming Flowers. This has got to be part of something. So, okay. We have the stencil art styled background layering stencil set. So there's a few to actually create kind of like the pattern. And we have some extra like geographic, no, not geographic, what's the word I'm looking for? Geometric. There we go. The foreigner got it eventually. Okay, so the Build a Garden set is called Posh Petals, and it is stunning. Look at that. Oops, sorry. There is the layering stencils, and there will be, and there should be a, oh, here we go. Like literally the last thing. The die cut set as well. So, yeah, beautiful. Oh, that is just stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Okay, so Cascading Flowers. This is an outline stamp. We have, perhaps, I should have organized this before we got into this, shouldn't I? But, oh well. Nope, okay, so, there might just be a stamp set, actually. It is. Okay, great. It's beautiful, so why not? And so here is the stamp set for the Charming Flowers, and then this is the die cut as well. So beautiful. And then we have a layering stencil set called a Flower Bed. It is just going to make this stunning array of flowers. 100% we're going to do that one. Okay, I know I'm probably over-promising things here now, but okay. So the crafted flower for this month is the Clematis, and it's stunning and it's large. This is 100%, so this is going to cover like a card easily. Brilliant, 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 brilliant. Okay, creative labels. I did think that I saw something. Did I put something else away that was supposed to go away? Oh God, I'm muttering a lot today, aren't I? Okay, so creative label die set and the stamp set. And then we have Enchanted Window, Castle Window, Paper Rhythm, Geoplay. Okay, so here we have the Geoplay Wreath Builder. So there's all of these like patterns and stuff. So with the help of the stamp wheel, you'll be able to make all sorts of different like pattern backgrounds. And I think this is going to be a great fun. And then there is a die cut for the bird and also for some of the sentiments. We have a circuit board background stencil. Now, instantly, like, it popped into my head, like, you know, you do this, obviously, ink blend, blah, 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 add fab colors, and then on each one of these dots, you add some sparkles. And, like, maybe inside of the patterns as well. So many ideas. Okay, so this one is called Enchanted Castle Window. So this is the coloring stencils to go with the 3D embossing folder. Now, obviously, I had to get this because I live in a village that actually has a castle. Yes, I do. Paper Rhythm. This is not to go with this one. No. So this is just on its own, a 3D embossing folder. I do actually have a die cut somewhere with all of these bits and pieces. So that could be fun. To puzzle. Okay. Right, so we have Creative Cuts Botanical Waltz. This is, again, so fun, so, like, fresh and gorgeous. I really love these colors, actually. So, oh, and we got all of the colors, like, on the background as well. So this is instantly making my mojo go, let's go, girl! So many ideas. Okay, so the Patchwork Quilt, Patchwork Pathways die set. The quilt should not be in there. Is, I think, an actual like background die, and then all of these bits and pieces so you can like puzzle your quilt together. Fun. Ooh. Okay. And so the creative label set is a stamp set and also coordinating die cuts. So you can stamp out all of these bits and pieces. You've got some great big like sentiments. I mean, look at this font, it's beautiful. And yeah, this is gonna be great actually. Ooh, okay. And then stylish shades. Oh, there's the one. Okay, so we have a flower stamp set, and this is a layering stamp set as well. And the flowers, the spectacles. There we go. Yeah, and the little blending tool to go with the project kit life thing. There's a lot of umming and ahhing today. I don't know what's going on. I might be slightly over caffeinated with this, but anyway, so this is our fabulous release, and this is all available now. So if you do decide to shop, that you cannot wait for any of this, you know, whether you want to see anything be made with this or not. If you cannot wait to shop, please do make sure that you use my compensated affiliate link down below in the description box. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and it never ever will. What it does is that it links to Altenew, and it tells you, hey, Erica sent this wonderful person to the Altenew shop, so she says hi, and then Altenew will give me a small commission based on the size of your order. So it never ever costs you anything extra, but all of the earnings that I get from this make such a big difference in my life. And I honestly, I cannot thank you enough if you choose to support me this way. It means more than I can say. And with that, I'm going to stop jibber jabbering now and just, yeah, we're gonna have some fun. But tomorrow there will be an actual release video hop where there will be up to $300 worth of gift cards available to be won, and the Altenew design team and some friends will be making videos and sharing tons of inspiration. So I'm gonna stop talking now because it's been over 11 minutes and too many ums and ahs and so thank you so much for stopping by today. I really enjoy having you here, and thank you for all of the encouragement and support. And like I said, it means more than I can ever express in words. So thank you, really, from the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you soon again.